the new job that we're working on is a beautiful old area that has lots of mature trees, lots of shade. So we've got lots of existing ground covers like periwinkle and Pachysandra, but they're big mass areas, and the bed is pretty flat the way it's existing. So we're going to be adding in some topography to it, adding in a berm, adding in a lot of rocks to give it some contour, and then taking some of the existing ground covers, transplanting them, but then also adding in some new shady plantings that are also going to give us some more color. So our plan is to kind of create some little woodland areas, bonsai tree that's there, and kind of work through the front area to give it a little bit of a facelift. We're also looking at the front walkway, so we're going to be putting in some new square cut stone product and reshaping it a little bit, making it a little bit more welcoming to the front. Basically just updating what's existing, because the actual structure and the atmosphere and everything is really beautiful. It's just now taking some of the new information and new plants that we're able to bring and giving it just a little bit more punch.
Well, it's quite impressive the way they started today. Oh my gosh, a natural army is showing up, and Pat said that would happen, but to see it actually sort of take place, it's quite something, and we feel very confident, especially these first steps. It's pretty impressive.
Basically, we're doing a front yard here, okay, and doing a really nice making a berm here in the front, which is going to give the house some depth. Then we're going to talk about his walkway, okay, as well. Bonsai that tree a little bit, see if we can revive it a little, which will be really nice. It's going to be really different. It's going to look unbelievably different here when we're finished. Just because everything's so flat and low, okay? We're going to make a nice little berm in through there, and it's going to really, really make the house feel like it's farther back on the property. So I'm really looking forward to seeing that. Brian, yeah? I wonder if we should take Holly and...
we had some ideas of what we wanted to do, but Pat had some pretty interesting perspectives on the front. So in a sense, we're sort of putting ourselves in sort of his and sort of embracing his artistic vision on the front, on defining the front, changing the topography of the front to give it some sort of definition, which is, I think, I can see where he's coming from. So the other issue is this old standard tree, and Pat has some ideas for that, so we're kind of interested to see how that's going to sort of transform.
Where you are.
Beautiful dreams